CM Panchal, exercise number 68. The year under review has been a disappointing and a frustrating one. Valuable capacity installed at great cost and effort could not be fully utilized due to restricted and fluctuating power supply at Jamshedpur. The countrywide industrial unrest and the atmosphere of permissiveness and indiscipline adversely affected our operations and those of our suppliers. These factors resulted in a production loss of about 4,000 vehicles. Despite such conditions, your company was able to sustain the steady rate of progress achieved during recent years. While industrial unrest is hopefully a temporary phase, the most distressing part of the power shortage is that there is not respite in sight for your company or indeed for practically the whole of our country in the immediate future. This is the result of the confusion that has plagued the entire area of the generation and power plant implementation for quite some time. It has been a characteristic of all our 5-year plans that there have been increasing shortfalls in meeting the power targets. The inefficient utilization of our public sector thermal capacity, enormous transmission losses, and thefts of power all speak poorly of the management of power undertakings. There continues to be a total inability to enforce even a modicum of discipline, and the power crisis has now grown into the single largest deterrent to investment and growth. Comments on the power crisis is perhaps fertile. The example of your company is adequate proof if one was needed to show how the enormous wealth producing capacity of our manufacturing industry is being impaired, how employment opportunities are being permanently lost, and how the national exchequer is being deprived of hundreds of crores of rupees of badly needed revenue, all because of the crippling power shortages in the countries wedded to faster economic growth. Over.